18 Ways to use AI to make money in 2023. There has been a dramatic increase in the availability of work from home and other forms of remote employment in recent years. Making money online with the help of AI-powered tools is a growing trend. It doesn't matter if you're a professional, a content creator, a freelancer, or just interested in figuring out how to use AI to get rich now. The best ways to make money using AI. 1. Blogs for hire. The rise of automatic writing tools. Content creation technologies powered by artificial intelligence, AI, can get the job done swiftly and efficiently. Input some keywords into an AI-powered tool and pop up a fully formed blog post or article. 2. Create a blog driven by AI. Make money running your own blog by automating tedious chores like article creation, search engine optimization, and lead generation with the help of AI. You can use them to generate text more quickly and efficiently than a human writer could, with only minimal editing required. I recommend trying Jasper.ai, Grammarly, and Surfer SEO as starting points. With these 3 resources, you should have all you need to produce high-quality, SEO-friendly content swiftly. 3. Generate AI art and sell it to people or websites. Giving you so many options in wallpapers, posters, greeting cards, prints, digital products like ebooks, etc., which you can then sell on your website or through online markets like Etsy or Redbubble. It's an excellent option for time-crunched creative types who want to make money from their work. 4. Create AI-generated videos and sell them to people and companies. Videos can now be made with the help of AI tools for a fraction of the time and resources required for human-made ones. 5. Provide to write descriptions for pins and sell them on Fiverr. Descriptions on Pinterest are crucial to internet marketing campaigns because they attract potential buyers and increase the brand's presence in search engines like Google and Bing. 6. Help businesses with keyword research using a tool powered by artificial intelligence. Organic SEO relies heavily on carefully chosen keywords, SEO. 7. Help customers by creating product descriptions. Detailed product descriptions are vital to marketing, which tell shoppers about the benefits they can expect from each option and help them make an informed decision. 8. Make money with private label rights products. People can now produce high-quality PLR goods like ebooks, white papers, and reports in record time because of the availability of cutting-edge NLP technologies and ML algorithms. This generates more revenue and paves the way for other partnerships, affiliate programs, and other possibilities. 9. Design and market sound effects libraries. Marketers may get insights from rivals' data and generate ideas more quickly and efficiently with robust NLP technology and ML algorithms than manual tactics alone. 10. Find a job as a data scientist or AI engineer. Data scientists and engineers apply various AI tools to real-world problems. The rising demand for automation systems in the business world has increased the attractiveness of careers in this area, leading to better earnings every year. 11. Put your money into businesses that are concentrating on AI. With the increasing adoption of automation in business and the global economy, stock investments in artificial intelligence are a safe bet for long-term profit. 12. Making and selling AI applications. Envision yourself developing cutting-edge AI software or solutions you sell to companies, organizations, and people. 13. Offering expert advice and AI-based services to companies as a consultant. Large and small companies can unlock untapped potential by learning how to optimally incorporate artificial intelligence into their operations. 14. The use of AI to enhance productivity in business settings. Artificial intelligence can be used by businesses to boost efficiency and increase revenue. 15. Product development and marketing using artificial intelligence. Businesses can benefit from artificial intelligence and make money by developing goods with many uses. Companies may save money and increase productivity by using AI to automate routine tasks like data input analysis and customer service and management. 16. Educating or educating artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning professionals are increasingly valued as automation transforms the modern workplace. 17. Create and market software services that use artificial intelligence. There is a wide range of potential applications, from simple chatbots to complex data processing and visualization programs. 18. Artificial intelligence, AI, data analysis and prediction. It is now possible for businesses and organizations to use AI to make better decisions. Through sophisticated data analysis software, professionals can unearth additional insights that can be used as a foundation for developing strategies or making predictions about the future. This presents an exciting potential for experts in this field to earn money by offering their services independently. Final thoughts. In conclusion, instruments driven by artificial intelligence could significantly alter the remote work and income landscape. AI tools can help in a multitude of ways. If you like this video and want more content about AI, please like the video and let us know. As always, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.